All right, let's go. This task is exactly 6 steps. Now I know, because we're done. And the function section, this reentrant task, we made a whole bunch of mistakes in the job file binary section. All these lines that say bug, we forgot the either W, I, or O prefixes. See these prefixes here? We just forgot them in a whole bunch of places, and we put them there. Here, there was not a bug. We just changed the yell to this message right here, this little tag here, just so that we could know kind of just a more unique error message. That's all we did. A little note here so that we know this is exactly 6 steps if this is the last step. And then in loadbox.disk, we made some mistakes. So we fixed these mistakes here. We can't do this because this is actually an array. Also, we're going to error check and make sure the number of steps is exactly 1. Okay, this is the tick core function. We've added a whole bunch of code. We have the enumeration for the function, the number of steps in the reentrant function, the index of the step we want to execute, which is the last executed step plus 1, the maximum step index, and here's the output index of done. So we're going to error check right here, and if we are already done with all of our steps, then we're going to unqueue everything. We're going to say that we don't have a reentrant task anymore and set the enumeration to an invalid 0 value. Otherwise, if we do have a task queued up, here's our function pointer for that task. We're going to select the correct task here by using the enumeration. And here is the enumeration for loadbox.disk, and here is the function for loadbox.disk. We're going to use this function right here, execute the reentrant function with the correct step, and get the output index of done step. And then we're going to store that index of done in our global state information. And we're going to error check and make sure that either the output index of done is this, which in case we completed a step, or it's this, in which case we encountered a spin lock. And if we don't do either of those cases, then it's an error. What we did previously, footnotes and more footnotes, and what we did in this video right down here. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. You are here, source code's here, email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.